Now let's implement the text fields here. So we will head over to views, registration screen, and at last we will go with a stateful widget and name it registration screen text field. And here we will return a column. So we will introduce some of the parameters here or variables. Final text editing controller, and it's going to be controller. Next comes up final string title, final string hint, then come up final bool read only, then come up final text input type, and it's going to be keyboard type. So let's add them here. Required this dot controller, required this dot hint, required this dot title, required this dot keyboard type, this dot read only, and we have to introduce required here. Okay, now let's populate the column part. So in column we will go with text. Okay, we do need to introduce the children here, text, and here it's going to be title. It's going to be widget.title, widget.title, and here we do need to introduce style, and it's going to be body 14 bold. Next comes up a little bit of spacing. So we introduce size box, height, it's going to be 1.h, and then we will go with text form field. Let's save it. And we do need to introduce some data here. Now let's have a look what are those parameters. So inside text form field, we're gonna go with controller and assign it widget.controller. Cursor color, it's going to be black. Style of the text, it's going to be app text style, text field text style. Then keyboard type, then comes up read only. So what this read only means, it means that on tapping that text field, you can't edit the texts inside of it. Then comes up decorations, like the decoration of the text field. We do have a padding of 2% of the width for horizontal. Then comes hint text, hint style, and then comes the border. So the border, it's outline input border and little bit of curves, border radius, and the color of the border side. Same goes for focus border, disabled border, and enabled border. So now let's have a look. We do have name parameter, mobile number, and email. Let's populate this three data first. After equal, I do want to go with a little bit of size box, height, let's go with 4.h. Then I will come up with registration screen text field, save this one. Controller, it's going to be name controller, hint, don't give a hint. Title, here it's going to be name. Keyboard type, it's going to be text input type dot name, and read only, it's going to be false. I will save this one. Now add a little bit of spacing here. Size box, height, q.h, comma. Now I will copy this same thing, paste up here, then paste up here. So by default, we do have three fields: name, mobile number, and email. So here I do have name. Next come mobile controller. Here it will be mobile number, and read only it's going to be true. Tap into it's going to be number. And at last we do have, okay, email controller, email address, read only. Okay, so we will cut this, paste up here, cut this and paste down here. So at first we are going with name, then mobile number, and at last we are going with email. So let's save it and let's have a look. Okay, so we do have name, mobile number, and email. So we do need to arrange this column. Cross-axis alignment dot start. Let's save it. Okay, we have name, mobile number, email. That's good.